As a brand, the relationship you have with your customers is incredibly important. When a customer buys one of your products, online or offline, they expect the item they receive to be authentic. And it most likely is. But sometimes, customers can get less than they expected if they receive a counterfeit product. With transparency, that problem is in the past. Transparency is a product serialization service that helps brands identify individual units and prevent counterfeits from reaching customers. Here's how it works. You tell us which products you want to enroll in the service. The product information gets entered into our secure software so that you can receive transparency codes that only we can generate. Each code is different and unique and must be added to each individual unit you manufacture. Whether the item is shipped by Amazon or fulfilled by a third-party seller, Amazon verifies the transparency codes on your products before shipment so that only genuine items are shipped to customers. Even better, customers can verify your products are authentic with our easy-to-use transparency app, no matter where they purchase. You can even share product information with your customers, such as where and when the specific item they have in their hands was manufactured. Get started today to take the first step in protecting your brand and your customers with transparency.